This is not just a pump. This is the reason a 20-ton bulldozer moves with the precision of a surgeon's hand. Meet the Komatsu HST Pump, type HPV63+63. Two variable displacement piston pumps locked together as one. Left pump, right pump. Each one controls a single track. Want to turn left? The left pump slows down, the right pump pushes harder. No gearbox, no clutch, no mechanical linkage. Just hydraulic power, pure and instant. And this tiny component right here, the EPC valve, receives one small electrical signal from your joystick, and the entire machine responds instantly. One pump failure, and this 20-ton machine goes completely silent. This is the heart. This is the brain. And in the next part of this video, we tear it all apart. Now, let's go deeper. A single HPV63 pump up close. The drive shaft. Engine power enters here. Every rotation drives the entire system. PA port and PB port, high-pressure oil outlets, the lifeblood of the drive system. The servo valve, one joystick signal, changes everything, instantly. The charge pump, always running in the background, so the main pump never runs dry. Now, let's crack it open. 15 components. Just 15 pieces of precision-engineered steel. Number 1, the drive shaft, the spine of the entire pump. Number 2, cradle bearing, silent but carries everything. Number 3, the swash plate. This single piece controls the power of the entire machine. Number 4, pump housing, the fortress that holds it all together. Number 5, servo piston. Number 6, slipper, small, but without them, nothing moves. Number 7, cylinder block. This is where hydraulic magic happens. Number 8, valve plate. Number 9, rear cover. Number 10 and 14, bearings, spinning thousands of times per minute without a single complaint. Number 11, pistons. Number 12, drive pin. Number 13, retainer plate. And number 15, the charge pump. Last to assemble, but the one thing standing between this pump and total failure. Now we know every part. But how do they work together? Let's find out. Now, the moment of truth. How does this pump actually move a 20-ton machine? 3 positions, 3 completely different outcomes. Forward. The swash plate tilts, angle alpha goes positive. Oil blasts out of PA port with full force. The machine surges forward. Neutral. The swash plate goes perfectly straight. Angle alpha, 0. Oil flow stops completely. The machine freezes. Not a single millimeter of movement. Reverse. The swash plate tilts the other way. Angle alpha goes negative. Now PB port becomes the high-pressure outlet. The machine drives backward with the same unstoppable force. 1 pump, 3 positions, total control. This is the genius of hydrostatic transmission. Now you know exactly how this pump works. Forward, neutral, reverse. One swash plate controls everything. But here's the question that keeps every mechanic up at night. What happens when this pump fails? Machine won't move, tracks go dead, 20 tons of steel completely stuck. In the next video, we go deep into HST pump failure diagnosis. No movement at all, slow speed, weak pushing force, EPC solenoid errors. Every single fault, every cause, every fix. But before that, tell me in the comments, what HST problem have you faced on your machine? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.